Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to go through how you can delete a card from the eBay app. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open eBay. So once you're in eBay, you're going to go right down to the bottom where it says My eBay and click on that. So then you're going to scroll down to where it says Payments. So just the third from bottom. We're going to click on that. So we're going to scroll down, you may not have the first section, and we're going to go down to where it says Cards and Accounts. So the first one is my bank account, the second one is an expired card, so I'm going to get rid of that one. So where it says Visa debit card ending in 2125, I'm going to click delete, so let's click delete. And it's just going to bring it up, and then it's going to ask me do I want to confirm to delete, and I'm going to delete directly from my wallet. And now we've deleted that payment method from eBay, so it's as simple as that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.